How to create a pin in Messenger. If any day any of you are a Messenger user and you would like to create a pin in Messenger to make your Messenger account quite secure, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Messenger application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Messenger application on your mobile device and then tap on that. After you tap on that, Messenger application will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to tap on the three lines on the top side and then go to the option of the settings there. After you go to this option in the settings, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the privacy and safety. After you tap on the option of the privacy and safety, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the end-to-end encrypted chats. After that, you have to go to the option of the security alerts. After you tap on the option of the security alerts, now you have to go to the option of the learn more and then tap on the option of the learn more. After you tap on the option of the learn more, you can see an interface like this. Now here you can just go to the option backwards and then you can go to the option of check your keys on the very Messenger account out there. After you do not find the very option of the create your pin or change your pin there, you have to just scroll down and go to the option of check your keys on the Messenger and then go to the option of the continue once again. After you go to the option of the continue, you can see an interface like this that will lead to the very option on creating the very kind of pins. If you do not find the very option of the creating your pins, you have to just go back once again, and after you go back once again, now you can see an interface like this. You can go to the option of the login once again and then you can just go back once again. After you do not find that, you can just remember that you do not have updated the very application. Therefore, you can go to the option of the Play Store on your mobile device and update your very mobile device. And after that, in the option of the security alerts, you can find the very option of creating your pin and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.